Please. Hi. Your good name, please? Take your seat.
My name is Aranyak Swine.
Huh?
Aranyak Swine.
Next slide, number 20, sir.
Okay. Please introduce yourself, Aranyaka.
So my name is Aranyak Swine. My educational background is I have done my schooling from SCB Medical Public School. I have done my intermediate from Revensa Junior College, and I have done my graduation from National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, in the field of biomedical engineering. My ambition is to contribute to the development of Odisha in all spheres by working for the people and with the people, and to know more about the perspectives of different government services.
Sorry, your name, I am getting it difficult to pronounce your name.
Aranyaka Swine.
Aranyaka.
Aranyak Swine.
It's a rather unusual name, Aranyaka, don't you think so?
Yes, sir.
Tell us something about this.
Sir, Aranyak means it is related to forest. It is the later part of the Vedas. That means the ritual sacrifices that is being done.
Do you know a philosopher from abroad who said Upanishads are not only the solace of my life, but they are the solace of my death? Who could it be? A famous philosopher, not Indian. He was so impressed by the translated Upanishads, the first translation. When he read it, he was so overwhelmed, so elated. Oh my God, this is solace not only for my life, but my death also. Schopenhauer, have you heard? May not be, since you are not a student of philosophy. But tell us something about Upanishads. What is Tattvamasi? Tattvamasi. I am sure you must have studied Sanskrit. I have not.
No, sir, I have not studied.
Okay, no problem. Anyhow, that doesn't matter. So, sociology and
But is your optional?
My optional is sociology and home science.
Okay, sociology, Aranyaka. Broadly in the independent India, it's now 7 decades.
Yes.
Sociologically, have we come far? Are the changes taking place at the sociological level, societal level?
Sir, India is a democratic socialist country.
Yes.
And the objective of the government is to serve people. Sir, so government is providing various services for the upliftment of the lower class people, sir, through different schemes. Sir, in that way, by providing reservation also, sir, in that way the lower class people, they are being they are upgraded. Their income level is increasing day by day, and today the per capita national income is more than 1 lakh. So we have developed.
You know, Aranyaka, technology is one of the key components or key paradigms of
Yes.
good governance. 5 T's,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
So you are a technologist yourself.
Yes.
So how can technology on the ground can bring about sea change or a significant change?
Sir, the government is now promoting minimum government and maximum governance.
Good.
So e-governance is one feature
Very good.
of it. So in e-governance, technology is used mostly.
Very good.
And coming to Odisha, there are various e-governance initiatives like the like the Bhu Lake. So where the land records are being in e-form, you can get the land records. Bhu Lake initiative.
Okay.
Even e-FIR.
Okay.
The FIR can be filed through online from any place. It does not matter whether it is in the jurisdiction or not. And e-Abhijog also, it is an e-governance initiative where the citizens
But you
can...
know, Aranyaka, that's fine, it's all very fine. But given the deeply stratified society even now, as it is, with so many regional disparities, even sociological differences are still there, you know, our tribal areas and other things. Do you think they will be able to catch up and really leverage the technology to come up so as to form an egalitarian society?
Sir, it is the
I mean,
initiative.
the new, I will to just to cut short the point, the new education policy, does it envisage these things?
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir, about new education policy.
no, and yes, I am correlating the two things.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the government is taking various initiatives for the lower class people
Yes.
to know the schemes, to
Hmm.
know the
Hmm.
various initiatives of the government,
Hmm.
like the Mo Sarkar initiative,
Hmm.
so which is a feedback mechanism
Hmm.
where the citizens
Hmm.
they provide feedback about the services they get.
Good.
So by this,
Very good, Aranyaka sir.
So what is the difference between biomedical engineering and biotechnology?
yes sir. Sir, both are interdisciplinary branches. So, but my branch is biomedical engineering. It is more related to application of engineering in human health, and biotechnology is more related to biology, application of biological processes like a biogas plant. So it is one example of biotechnology. Tissue engineering is also related to biotechnology, but biomedical is related to medical instrumentation and nanotechnology, biomechanics and bioprosthetics. So all these things are related to biomedical engineering.
You have been a faculty for some time in Mumbai
Yes sir.
for this subject.
For biology, I was a faculty in Rao Educations in Mumbai.
For biology,
Yes sir, biology for class 11th and class 12th,
I see.
pre-foundation.
How you have not been in any job with a very good subject that you have?
Sir, in our college,
Right.
NIT Raulkela,
Campus doesn't come with this subject.
for this branch, we mostly get software companies. So that's why I didn't.
You have not got the campus placement.
Yes sir.
But opportunity must be there.
Yes sir, biomedical is an emerging branch.
Hmm.
In foreign countries, there it is developed. They use this branch for different sports, so they are winning gold medals more. And they have more facilities in biomedical engineering. That's why our students in our branch, they pursue MS in foreign countries.
We have not tried for anything beyond this.
No sir.
Okay. You belong to Cuttack, native place is Cuttack.
Yes sir, I belong to Cuttack district.
You are from the Mahanadi Vihar area.
Yes sir.
So what is this locality, how it has come up, Mahanadi Vihar? What is unique about this particular place, Mahanadi Vihar?
Sir, it is situated on the banks of Mahanadi, and it is mostly a waterlogged place. By filling, it became something like.
That has come up. The township has come up in an area which is just on the border of the river.
Yes sir.
And so what is unique about this Cuttack's embankments? The city has been surrounded by embankment on all the three
Yes
sides.
sir.
So what's unique about this?
Sir, Cuttack and Kathajudi, they are the two rivers.
Mahanadi and Katchari.
Mahanadi and Kathajudi are the two rivers, and to prevent the flooding, there has been embankments have been made. So that's the reason.
So that's the uniqueness. Who has made it?
Which ones?
That embankment.
So the Kathajodi embankment was built by a ruler. I'm not able to recall, but I will try to recall.
Okay. What is the significance of that place, Naraz, just little north of your Mahanadi Vihar?
Sir, it has a temple, Naraj, and a barrage is there also for checking the water of Mahanadi.
And that is the point of bifurcation.
Bifurcation of Mahanadi and Kathajodi.
That is the point of beginning of the Mahanadi Delta.
Yes, sir.
That is what is the beginning of the Mahanadi Delta. Okay. Are you aware of the welfare programs of Government of Odisha and Government of India?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell some
Sir,
from Odisha?
from Odisha, the government is doing various initiatives, taking various initiatives for the welfare of women, like the Mamata scheme for a development of the nutrition and health of pregnant and lactating mothers and their infants. And another initiative of government of Odisha is the Abhoda scheme for monument rehabilitation of Puri Jagannath temple. And
Abhoda scheme, not Abhoda. It is Abhoda scheme.
Abhoda scheme for development of Puri Jagannath temple.
What is the role of a sub-center in providing services? What is the role of a sub-center? Is it a home science? We would like to know
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what is the sub-center in the health system providing health services. Because in the hierarchy, there is district headquarter hospital, sub-division headquarter hospital, then community health center, CHC, then PSC, primary health center, and below that there are two institutions. One is a sector, the other one is a center,
Okay, sir.
where a health worker is posted for 1,000 population. So what are the services provided at that level?
Sir, these sub-centers, they work for educating the people regarding various schemes and providing knowledge about the training programs.
Is your guess what?
Sir, I believe this.
Yes. So it's feasible that you are making a guess, but anyway, sub-center is one of the very key service centers in the rural areas, providing services to the lactating mothers. As we are telling about lactating mothers,
Okay, sir.
so that is one of the most important institutions at the rural level, because they are the nearest access point for health services, for enabling all those feedings that they are supposed to take place, all those basic vaccinations that they are supposed to take place. The health worker will be providing them instantly. If it is beyond that, then they will come to, or the health worker will take them to. But, what is your reading about corruption in India?
Corruption in India. Sir, corruption is a
Is it prevailing in our situation?
yes, sir. It is prevailing.
How we have perceived it?
Sir, in government offices especially the lower bureaucracy, they are involved in corruption activities.
Higher bureaucracy not involved?
Sir, mostly it is lower bureaucracy because we have best officers in the top level, but we don't have best people in the lower bureaucracy. So that's why it is a mostly it is related to attitude of the people.
So
If
lower
the-
bureaucratic people are having an attitude to go for
Sir,
corruption.
it is mostly if their attitude is right, if they have strong ethical and moral principles, they will not do corruption. If they have strong integrity, they will not do corruption. They will feel that they are serving to the people. And taking money from the taxpayers' money. They're drawing salary from the taxpayers' money. So they will not feel like doing.
Sir, would you agree with us that top bureaucracy is also equally responsible for the corruption, not the lower bureaucracy? This is our hypothesis.
Sir, mostly the top bureaucracy are not involved because they have good training centers during the.
Do you think that the political parties are not corrupt? Do you think that the political people are not corrupt? Don't you think that all those people who are at the top level, they are not
Sir,
corrupt?
with your permission, recently Bombay ASI was arrested by CBI because his task was to collect 100 crores per month from Mumbai Metropolis. And they say at the instance of a minister.
Home Minister.
Home minister, that's the allegation.
Yes, sir. That is.
True or not, that's a different thing.
4.5 crore has been
Oh.
transferred from that.
So, you look at the magnitude of corruption on that level. This is
100
counter to
crore.
your hypothesis on the lower level.
Sir, there the elected representative, they pressurize, or there is the influence of elected representative. not the permanent executive.
No, but that is also part of this governance. No? They are also part of the governance creating corruptions.
Sir, as a civil servant, when a civil servant is inducted, he has good aptitude and good attitude, but slowly he gets absorbed into the system because of the various pressures from different sectors like the politicians and other things.
So they are not supposed to. They are not supposed to be get pressurized with the system.
Sir, there will
And
be
when you are saying that system, that means system is also corrupt.
no sir, system, we cannot blame the system, but if we are true, then nothing can shake us.
Okay, okay. Let us see that how you emerge as a good officer. If you are getting selected, we'll be happy to see you. So,
Mr. Swain, you have opted sociology as your optional,
Yes sir,
one of the optionals.
yes sir.
What is the core meaning of sociology?
Sociology deals with the society, various aspects of society, the institutions present in the society, and the various perspectives like family, caste, religion. It deals with that.
Have you heard a term like anthropology?
Yes sir.
Is there any difference between sociology
Yes, sir.
and anthropology?
Sociology deals with the modern societies, whereas anthropology deals with the primitive societies. So its approach is less, and sociology, its approach is wide.
Which less, which is right?
Sir, anthropology approach is less because it deals with the primitive societies which do not have access to the modern field. But sociology, it has wide approach.
Here, I don't disagree. I agree, but the theme, it is anthropos logos. Means the unit of study here it is man. In sociology, the unit of study is society.
Society.
Okay. So, less or more, this will not be an answer to us. Second thing. Third, do matrilineal society,
Yes, sir.
what are they?
Sir, matrilineal society is a society in which the female, they dominate. Especially in Kerala, we find this kind of society.
Only in Kerala?
And in
Which community of Kerala?
Sir, I am not aware of it, but I will try to know about it.
There is a term, CAUVAD, cowhead. Have you heard about it? Because you are a sociology student.
So CAU?
VAD, cowhead.
No, sir, I am not aware of it. But
There is matrilineal, that is matriarchal. Patriarchal. What is patriarchal?
Sir, patriarchy is a set of norms, institutions where male are treated as superordinate and women are treated as subordinate.
Which society is better?
Sir, we are living in a patriarchal society, it is true. And we have been,
As a scientific and social scientist, what will be your view? Whether matriarchal is better than patriarchal or patriarchal is better than matriarchal?
sir, as a civil servant, as being inducted as a civil servant, society, everyone should be equal in society. There should not be domination. One will dominate over the other, whereas the other will dominate over the other. This will lead to violence in the society. We are seeing violence in the society, like rapes, crimes.
In which society? In matriarchal society or patriarchal society?
Patriarchal society,
Okay.
we are seeing the various crimes.
In matriarchal society?
There is no such evidence, I find.
Then
okay, you can have one more comment.
no, sir, I finished.
Okay.
Just a suggestion.
Okay.
So how do you feel, when is your interview?
Around
Already-
30th September.
Huh?
30th September.
Okay. You have given mock interviews before also?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So how do you feel now?
Sir,
Little better?
yes, sir.
So he has done well.
On is
Uh,
above average.
What is so in as you are talking sociology, that you should not conceptualize anything high and low. The scope of anthropology less or scope of sociology high.
Yes, sir.
Because each discipline has its own merits by which they stand. Okay? Number two, that this is exceptional. That our society as a whole, they are patriarchal. But there are instances of matrilineality. For example, in northeastern
Yes, sir.
Meghalaya, you find clear-cut example, Khasi, Garo and Jain. As you were telling Kerala, Nayar community in Kerala, they are matrilineal, where the property is inherited through female life. Daughters, like in our marriage system, in patriarchal society, we bring her like that. In matriarchal society, they bring boy. Okay. Though it is female dominated, women centric society, so mother is more towards family than father. If mother earns 100 rupees, 100 rupees will go to the children. If father earns 100 rupees, only 25 to 30 rupees will go to family. This is the difference. Therefore, the more discipline, the more towards family or its mother, because there is a nurture and nature relationship. Okay?
So you can have this, but I think that the concept are correct. But just one last observation, we'll close it because for one time you are very good candidate. But the thing is, in corruption, when, like you said on social and anthropology, be a little careful. No science is education, and this is man and that society, that's all. And similarly also corruption, the lower level people are training, that can be construed or misconstrued as elitist attitude. The only subordinates or people lower down or corrupt there. So that kind of mental frame. Okay? That you should be very careful. When it always starts from the top. When the top is started, they will ensure all this. So be a little cautious and be careful. Otherwise, you have done very well. You have done very well. Okay. Any question from this guy?
Sir, regarding my hobbies, sir, is there any?
What is the hobby you said?
Sir, I have written working out in gym, fitness enthusiast.
Oh, fine. Be genuine, be genuine. Okay, don't worry. The whole thing is, be true to yourself. Your personality, yourself is being assessed. And you have come across very well. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Well, all the best. God bless you. You will do very well. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.